Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the second card in the Here's to You March 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So for this, I need the pretty peacock background. I need the scenic piece of card, printed card that's here. I'm going to need 3 of these little white die cuts for the happy birthday. It's repeated 3 times. So I need the stamp for the happy birthday, and I also need the stamp for the birds just to put up here. So let's get started and build this one. I am going to use, let's have a look. Did they put dimensionals on this? It does look like they used dimensionals on this. So I am going to put a whole bunch of dimensionals on this card front, just so that it stays nice and stable. And so we'll do this. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and getting notifications. I post 4 to 5 times a week, unless it's the Paper Pumpkin week, and then you're going to get a whole blast of videos. I usually do 5 or 6 videos right out of the gate, and then do some of them are right out of the kit, an unboxing one, and then the projects in the kit. And then I do some outside the box where I combine the elements from the kit with items I have already in my card stash. So we are just going to center this down. Make sure it's straight, and then pop it down just like that. And you know what I have forgotten to do? I have forgotten to put the birds on. The birds go right there. So that is a miss on my part. But what you would do is you would ink up your stamp spot and just pop it on. If I do that now, actually it looks like I probably can. Ha 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 ha. There's always a way to get things done. So I am going to ink this up, and I can just hear Mia saying, "You were so excited you forgot to do that." So I am just going to put this down, press it down really hard. There we go. I managed to get the birds in. So there you go, Mia. You don't have to do things in order. I've proved it again. So what I do need to do is just wipe that off and use my happy birthday greeting. And then I will stamp those, and we can basically layer them on the card, and we're good to go. The example does have some of the linen ribbon, or linen thread, wrapped all the way around. I'm not a fan of wrapping it all around the card. It's just my thing. You can do it when you make your kits. You can absolutely wrap the ribbon all the way around. It's whatever you like to do. So we're just going to stamp these down, and these are little guys on a little stamp. So it's really good that they're photopolymer, because that means that you can actually see where you are stamping to make sure that you have it lined up just so. And the beauty is, if you get it wrong, A, there's more pieces, and B, you can always use the other side of the paper. So, and the thing with the photopolymer too is, as you lay the stamp down, you can see where you've made contact and where you haven't. So it helps you get a fully stamped image. And if you do miss, you can line it up again because it is the photopolymer. So we are going to turn these ones over and put dimensionals on the back. And it looks like we can probably fit 2 on each one, and then we will line them up on the card and build the card. And it's really that quick. And I am so looking forward to my next video. I have to plan out how I'm going to do it yet. I haven't played with the stencils yet, but the next video will use one of the stencils from the free set that came with the Paper Pumpkin this month. So I think I might use the Starburst one, actually. So the example of what we're doing is right here. So it looks like there's one that lines up with the beach. Just make sure that goes down straight. And then there's one above it just below the clouds on the lake. And then the last one goes just underneath and on the flowers. It's a beautiful little group of flowers. Makes me think of crocuses in the springtime. So we're just going to pop that down like that. And that, when we fold it back, is the second card in the kit. And it also has an envelope insert. So I will show you how that one works. So just lay everything out here. And the envelope inserts, you just open up your envelope and you slide it in just like that. And so then you can fold it over after you've got your card in there and send it away. So the lining matches the flowers on the card. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I start using these stencils in the kit. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.